Hello, I'm bouncing on my friend, my sister Scoops.
Wow, well be careful because she's wearing ice skates.
Oh yeah, they're sharp.
Yep.
Yeah.
So what is your new friend's name?
We're sisters, because we're both dark.
Okay, well tell us about the new one.
About this one with the ice skates. Her name is Twirly Figure 8, and she has this cute little otter with adorable little tail. And it has a little bow right there. And it's pink, and it's a girl, and there's 2 little stitches right here.
Oh.
Yeah. But about this girl, her purple skirt, it has glitter on it, but it's sewed onto her little bottoms, and she has purple underwear and painted on white leggings, and she has a soft snow outfit. Look how soft it is.
So would you give her a good review?
Yeah, we're doing it right now. And look, she has 3 pointers. One here, and one here. Yeah, and at the top there's a little big bow, like her pet.
I like her legs with her tights.
Yeah, it goes all the way down to her feet.
Can you turn around so we can see the back?
Oops. It's supposed to have a little hole.
Why?
It's made to.
Oh.
So
do you like her?
Yeah, she looks cute, and
Do you think other people should buy her?
yeah, I'll put her on her Facebook with her pet.
Okay, sounds good.
Yeah.
Okay, say goodbye.
Bye bye.